What is up, my Fred Riders? And I don't know, I'm just thinking of intros. But yeah, guys, what I'm gonna do today is, well, on Tuesday I uploaded 5 reasons why you shouldn't get a black car. But this time I decided to hit you guys with a positive for Thursday's video, which is today. 5 reasons why you should get a black car. Let's get straight to it. Alright guys, for the first reason why you should get a black car is because any car in the color black automatically looks better. Just look at this Mustang, man. Amazing color, black, an amazing BMW, black, matte black, I think. Yeah, it looks amazing. Lamborghini, can't go wrong with black in a Lamborghini. Looks like the Batmobile. And Dodge. Just look at this, man. It's so good. It just makes it look more menacing. Alright guys, for reason number 2 why you guys should get a black car is that any black car with stripes or decals, anything, just anything cosmetic, they make it look more fiercer. I don't know. They just make it look way much better. It looks more menacing and everything. Literally, look at this red and black Mustang, or black and red Mustang. It just makes it look 100 times better. And then this Dodge Challenger SRT, amazing, with the white stripes just going through the middle of the body. I mean, I don't know about this car, but I guess you could say it's good. But yeah, just literally any cosmetics, stripes going down the middle, make it look 100 times better. If you know what, you can even just run it all black, all matte black, and it'll look like the Batmobile, and it looks pretty good still. Honestly, you can do whatever you want. Alright guys, so reason number 3 is that you're the driver and you're gonna be driving your black car, Mustang, Lamborghini, Honda, whatever you guys want to drive, and you're gonna be the people that are gonna be looking at those surprised faces when they see your black sexy car that looks so menacingly across the night lights or the sunny summer day and stuff. But yeah, you guys are gonna be the ones that are driving that monster down the road, and that's the reason number 3 why you should get a black car. Alright guys, so reason number 4 is that, honestly, you know how your car gets really dirty, especially if it's a black car, but nothing is more better than cleaning it and making it look like the Range Rover. Look at that, it's so amazing. Just look at that, it's more rewarding to see it so clean, even if it's just for that one day that's clean, because you know you're a car enthusiast, so you drive that puppy out to show off how clean it is. But yeah, I mean, it's really bad that they get dirty easily, but it's nothing more rewarding than cleaning it and making it look so brand new. Wax on, wax off, guys. That's the number 4 reason why you should get a black car. Alright guys, so before I get to reason number 5 is that I want to tell you guys that I just applied for my first job. So I might make a video about it, or I might make a video about it on my other channel that's so secret from you guys, because I'm trying to keep those 2 channels separate from each other. But yeah, alright, so let's get back to the video. Alright, so for reason number 5 is that if you get a black car, it makes you look a lot more rich. By showing these statistics, pretty much every rich person you've probably seen on TV has a black car. They'll literally, even if you're like in the middle class, just any black car makes you look rich. Like, look at this guy coming out of the limousine. He's probably not rich, but he's coming out of a black limousine. Come on, man. Aren't limousines supposed to be like white or something? And let's come on, let's look at more pictures. Look at this guy in a tuxedo. He has a freaking Lamborghini, and he's coming out with a full suit of I think that's a Lamborghini actually, I don't know. Full on tuxedo with Bruce Wayne 2008 look. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my top 5 reasons why you should get a black car. And that's pretty much it. Spoiler alert, actually it's 6 reasons. The 6th reason, I'm just kidding guys, I was gonna goof around and say the 6th reason is they attract more girls. I mean, you can kind of put that in with 5th reason, because since you're gonna have money, you're bound to get more gold diggers.